The mean value of a function. The mean value of a function over an interval is simply given by the signed area, which means we do count areas below the axis as negative, of the function over that interval divided by the width of the interval. So if we have a function like this, and this is the area between the curve and the x-axis, between a and b, then the width of the interval here is b minus a. So the mean of the function over this interval is 1 over b minus a, so 1 divided by the width of the interval, multiplied by the integral from a to b of f of x dx.